Hi, welcome to CT tutorial. Today we will learn you want to display the current date at time data. You need to write down a formula which is called now. You need to write down in a W, then just close the bracket. It will give you output with the current date at time. If you want to extract the hour only from this date, you just need to type hour HOUR and select the serial number from where you want to extract the hour. So the hour is showing 9. If you want to minute, in the same way, minute will be extracted from the specific number or specific date. And for second, the same thing. So, and if you want to build a date time based on hour, minute, and second, then you need to type time per comma minute comma second. It will give you a time again. If you want to add hour, minute and second with the current time, so what you will do in that scenario? In that scenario, you need to do just put the time, select the hour, plus put the number of hours which you want to add. I'm adding here 1 hour, and just after that put a comma, and after that select the minute. And if you want to add some minutes, so write down the some minutes. I'm here adding only 5 minutes, and after that you need to select the second again. If you want to add seconds, then only you need to write down the text, or else you can leave it by adding hour and minute only. But I'm here adding 13 seconds here, so it is given a added time. The main question is here, how you will find the difference of two times. So difference of two times, you can see that we can just write down a simple formula, this one minus this one. That means time 2 minus time 1. Sometime you will get such kind of error if you get a negative value in time. Here you can see that Excel is giving us a instruction that dates and times that are negative or too large display as hash. So that's the reason you need to check that it's given a negative value or a positive value. If it's giving a negative value, then you need to change the cell reference. This is minus this one. Here you can see the actual difference, time difference is showing here. So thanks for watching my channel. If you like this video, please press the like button